I think it's about time we retire the FineWoven case. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of this Casemate clear case. So I've had the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the FineWoven case ever since launch, and you can see here that the FineWoven case has done its job. It's been able to protect the iPhone 15, and you can see here that there's no damages anywhere on the device. So I've been wanting to switch over to a clear case for a while. The nice thing about buying cases mid-product cycle is that you can find really good deals on phone cases. This one is made by Casemate. It's a really large case manufacturer. I managed to find this case for less than $10. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Couple of the product features is that it has built-in MagSafe. Supposedly it can withstand a 16-foot drop. It has antimicrobial properties. This clear case feels thicker than other clear cases that I've tried. So it says here that it has a dual layer construction with reinforced backplate and the frame. And you can really feel that when handling this. A lot of clear cases on Amazon will be skinny enough where if you push against the sides like this, it'll basically fold in half. But this one, it's actually very rigid. It says here that it has raised edges for screen and lens protection. So there's a very large cutout area here for the lenses, and you can feel the raised part on the front and the back. So let's put this on and see how it feels. Now there is a plastic.
Nice.
So it feels like a really solid case. This is actually the first clear case that I've purchased that has MagSafe built into it already. Other clear cases that I've bought that did not have this MagSafe, I was still able to use the MagSafe that's built into the iPhone, so I don't think that's too big of a deal. But the fact that they have this on the case itself means that there should be a much stronger attachment to whatever accessory you want to attach this onto. So it goes in really easily. All the holes line up. So that's one of the first things I always check for. The buttons still function like normal, even these tiny ones for like volume up, volume down, and that function, that one press function key. So far it looks like build quality is excellent on this case. Now because of that dual layer construction with the reinforced backplate and frame, it is thicker than other clear cases that I've tried in the past, but I have a lot more confidence in this case with drops. So the fact that it says it has a 16-foot drop protection, I believe that without even doing any tests. The lip on this is actually really significant. It's hard to capture on the camera, but if I put this down on a flat surface, I have no doubt that it raises it high enough where you never have to worry about your lenses being scratched or your screen being scratched. So I'm gonna give this a try as my new daily driver. Again, I think that it's about time that we retire the FineWoven case. It's given me a good 7 months of protection, and it's still in pretty good condition. So I can always reuse this if I need to. But I really like these clear cases because it's able to show off the aesthetic of the iPhone. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max with that natural titanium color. So I'll post some more updates later on as I use this. If you guys have any questions about this particular case or any other case that you want me to review, let me know down in the comments below.